wild horse's mane. As we kind of ease in here, as we come out of that golden rooster, and we come out of that brush knee, push hands, we come here, brush knee, push hands. We take that first step, looking over that left shoulder, and we step, we push, and we rock back. Right hand swivels. You bring those feet together for collect. Step, look over the right shoulder, swivel. As you rock back, turn that big captain's wheel. Right hand's now on top. From here, we're going to turn and look over that left shoulder. Now pivot that left foot. Separate those hands diagonally. I like to bring those hands and just kind of slide them together. Kind of reminds me which way everything's going. I'm going to slide those hands together as I pivot that body. That chest is going to level out right over top of that knee. So as I pivot, I'm separate those hands diagonally. That left hand's coming right up here just above eye level. That right hand is going back here, palm to the ground. So again, as that comes here, right hand is on top, left hand is on the bottom. Then turn, pivot, looking over that left. Parting the wild horse's mane. And as I lean here, I'm going to rock back. I'm going to bring those hands 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock plane back to that neutral position. Now that left hand needs to be on top, so I'm going to turn that big ship's wheel to that left hand is on top. So we're not going to make a big bunch of rotations. Just from that 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, I'm going to turn to that left hand is on top. And I'm going to pivot that right foot. And I'm going to separate those hands diagonally. I'm going to lean, part that wild horse's mane. And I'm going to bring it back to center. Bring that neutral. And the right hand needs to be on top again. Turn that big ship's wheel to get ready for cloudy hands. And that left hand is going to go first there. So shake that out. So coming out of that, start here, collected. Brush knee, push hands. Right hand's on top, left hand's on the bottom. Big breath in. Exhale as you step, step, shoulder, twist, push, rock. That right hand swiveling around, left hand's going to come up. Collect. Look over that right shoulder. Step, shoulder, twist, rock. Right as you get ready to collect, turn that big ship's wheel. Even those feet out. Turn, look over that left shoulder. Pivot that left foot. Hard that wild horse's mane. Rock back. So you can pivot that foot. You're going to rock back. Take that weight off so you can pivot that foot. 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, just like you're holding that big ship's wheel. The left hand needs to be on top. So we're going to turn that wheel. Pivot that right foot around. Turn, look where you're going. Hard that wild horse's mane. Deep breath in, exhale, rock back. Grab that ship's wheel again, right hand needs to be on top, so we're going to turn. Got that big ball, catch the ball. And pause here. Step back, shake those legs out. Now let's collect up. One more time, I'm going to put it all together. Bring that toe up. Right hand up. You're ready, we'll step left. Go over that left shoulder, going 45 degrees, step into 10 o'clock. Big breath in. As you go away from the body, you're going to exhale. Exhale, push. Inhale as you come to the body. Change those hands over, collect. Look where you're going. breath in, big breath out. Shoulder, twist, rock. Turn that wheel. Look where you're going. Pivot. Heart, wild horse's mane. Bring it back up, neutral. Left hand on top. Look where you're going. Pivot. Lean. Heart, wild horse's mane. Rock. Neutral. Right hand on top. Pause here. Our pattern is right on top, left on top, right on top, left on top, right on top. So it's right, left, right. So let's put all that together. Shake it out for a moment. Big breath in. Just gotta ease through it. This bottom here, we're gonna catch that ball. Catch that ball. Exhale as you come through. Breathe in as you go back. Exhale as you come forward. Inhale as you go back. Exhale as you come forward. Shift that weight to the left. Golden rooster. Heel strike, push that right foot down. Golden rooster. Bring that toe to the heel. Swing those hands back. Step. Shoulder. Twist. Rock. Change those hands over. Collect. Look where you're going. Step. Shoulder. Twist. Rock. As you get ready to even those feet out, right hand on top. Look where you're going. Pivot that left. Park that wild horse's neck. Rock back. Neutral. Left hand on top. Turn, look. Pivot that right.